Yahya, how long have you been doing TRE?
Almost 3 years.
And
Almost 3 years.
what have you found from it? Why do you continue to do it?
The analogy I often use is that I was going through life like this, and TRE just kind of gradually created this space. Next thing you know, the blinders are off. I was safe enough to kind of exist and be in my body.
Yahya, where do you feel movement in your body?
Mostly, I think in my abdomen and thigh. Feeling the tremors moving up my body also, kind of into the chest, into the shoulders. I feel there's movement here, kind of in the neck, but not really much in the shoulder area. Oh, wow. Creates kind of a contraction doing that. Definitely feels more open having done the shoulder, bringing the shoulders forward.
Okay.
There's quite a contraction in the abdomen.
It's gonna force it up the torso.
Feels like the arm was able to release a little bit doing that. Just like, feels like it's from here.
Okay.
Feel more of my body. Feeling a little less movement in my my right hand. Bringing the knees together. It's contraction on in the shoulders and upper body.
Yeah, it pulls it right up the body.
Now the left arm feels stiff or numb somehow. Not necessarily numb, but less sensation, I think.
Are your feet starting to shake?
Yeah, they're a little less grounded on the mat now.
Perfect. Let that happen. There's a little bit of tremor that's trying to come down into your feet.
Especially the left one. It happens when I widen my feet.
Exactly. It's a good way to get it. It'll stretch the adductors really nice. And it gets rid of a lot of tight holding in the quads and adductors. That's it. Lay like that for a little bit. Yeah. Let it find its way out of that.
And I was just having some recollection when I was a kid being chased by dogs. So that's kind of, I don't know, unresolved trauma with dogs and being chased. That was weird, but and it kind of started whenever my feet started moving. I don't know if it was, remember me running all the time or dodging. It was weird. Feels overall more fluid though. no idea. I just know whenever I put my knees together, it shoots right up, like, immediately.
Wow.
Yeah, I think that's enough for me.
Okay,
I
I
normally
understand.
go that long.
That was a lot.
Yeah. I normally tremor for about 15, 20 max for myself. Wow. That was special. That was amazing, actually. Yeah, I would say that probably just having different parts of my body kind of a part, having more of an active part of my tremoring process, because mostly it had been concentrated in the lower part of the body, some movement up upper body, but it was just, I don't know, it was just more, like you said, more integrated than usual. And I found that to be amazing. And feeling the movements in my right hand almost start to kind of balance out with the movement in the left hand. It was quite something there. Yeah, man. I served honorably in the U.S. Navy for 15 years. Some of the best years of my life, some of the best relationships and friendships I have from around the world. And for my fellow VA brothers and sisters out there that may be seeking services or are seeking services maybe through the Veterans Administration, maybe ask them about TRE or practices like TRE or alternative, forms of healing that may be available. For about 6 years, from about 2008 to 2015, and I found myself in and out of therapist offices and counselors' offices to figure out what was going on to get back to an equilibrium. And as we know, that they were really focused kind of on the psychological component, right? They gave the medications, and I did everything as prescribed and laid out, but nothing ever was recommended for the body or the nervous system or anything for that matter. So whenever I was introduced to TRE, it began to introduce me to nervous system function, regulation, the body. I was like, oh, I have a body. We never talked about that part. So that was quite revolutionary for me. So being able to introduce a practice like TRE into your regimen, it will help to address kind of all components of the system. And that's noteworthy, I feel, of the service that we've offered, right? Being able to just connect to ourselves in the most loving and comfortable of ways. And TRE is just a very powerful way to do that. And that's what the world needs, frankly. So I was able to address the psychological piece, then the physiological piece, then the spiritual piece. So it's like, I don't know, things started to come together. And TRE was just like a surefire way to get there. And it was just, and it's not about following anyone or any ideology. And I appreciate that also. This is about really the body, the human organism. And that for me was quite profound and inspiring enough to really want to share it with other people, because that's often the unknown, unspoken component that many are really missing and are simply unaware of it. I suspect people are going to watch this and like it and share it. If you have no relationship or have not been introduced to the practice, try it. Give it a shot. Check out traumaprevention.com, find a provider. They're all around the world. And TRE could be a powerful ally in kind of restoring equilibrium. So seek it out and find a provider and come back to center, come back to home, come back to you. And, that's what I found TRE kind of helps facilitate pretty rapid succession. Well, we do offer TRE sessions and training here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and now online. You can learn more about our work at yourfreedomwithin.com/TRE. And also you can offer my email address at Yahya@yourfreedomwithin.com. Would be happy to, guide you through the practice, or you can hop into one of our trainings. We'd welcome you.